Yo, what's going on? So today we're actually going to be coloring this fire with these 3 colors using Ohuhu markers. I'm really excited about this one. It's a quick 60-second tutorial. Hope you get a lot out of it. And go ahead and send me some images of what you come up with for this fire. So first we're going to start with a sketch, as you can see here. And then we're going to do the outline. This is right here where we're going to leave the white area for the flame. Now we're going to add the yellow part to the inside. Don't worry, when it dries, it will be a little more yellow than that, I hope. Now we're going to add the orange. Now we're going to add a little bit more of a red orange. I didn't want to go quite red. I'm trying to keep it a little more realistic, even though this is kind of a cartoony fire flame. But yeah. So this is what we're going to use here. Now, what I like to do sometimes is, if I have this a little too much of an open flame there, I like to go in and maybe adjust that a little bit. Okay, so now go ahead and add some additional details like some backgrounds and go in and fix up the colors, and let's see what you do.